Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be going over demo 2 of MacinAI. This is beta 3.1.0. Just finished the speech system and the downloads manager, so I just want to show it off.
Welcome to MacinAI.
So, like I just said, what are you?
Hello, I'm MacinAI, your friendly AI assistant for vintage Macintosh computers. I'm here to help you with various tasks, answer questions, and provide information about your Mac. If you need assistance with anything specific, just let me know.
Disk
I can help you with that. Here are some options for disk copy that I found. 1. Bit copy. 2. Disk fixer nibbles away.
Nine.
Starting the download disk copy 6.00. Set completed.
And you can extract it with StuffIt. And if you don't have it, it's going to prompt you to download it or locate it. So if you download it,
Download started.
it's going to start the download. And then install from downloads, set the path and settings.
Download StuffIt Expander 5.5. Been completed.
And then it's in here. And then you would come over to the settings, set the StuffIt to wherever it is. And then now, if I say I download this copy again,
Starting download of the download disk copy 6.00. Set completed.
it's going to extract and StuffIt. And then I can come back, open my downloads folder. And there it is, disk copy. You can just open it right up. So there's that. And then let's say I wanted to download, I don't know, transmit.
I found several versions of Transmit for you. Here are the options. 1. Transmit 151.68K.
I'd want the newest one.
Starting download of TRANSMIT17 period. Download TRANSMIT17 period. SIT completed.
Since StuffIt's open, it's just gonna do it in the background, I think. Yep. And I can open up my downloads folder. And would you look at that? Transmit. So yeah, that's the download and speech manager for MacinAI. And if you want to download the public beta, it's super easy to access from your Macintosh. Just open any internet utility or browser, I guess. And of course, it's not going to connect to Apple's website. But you can go to oldapple.com/MacinAI down to beta repository. Ignore the JavaScript error. That's not the latest version, but same process. You'd save the bin. I would suggest doing this to a new folder. So MacinAI, and then save that. And then if you have a browser that automatically decodes the bin, it will do so. If not, you need to use Stuff It. But yeah, then you just open it up. And there you go. You got the app. Alright, well, that's demo 2. Stick around because the next demo is going to have some pretty cool stuff. Thanks for stopping by.